Here's a 1998 Chevrolet Silverado extended cab, two-wheel drive, and you won't see them any cleaner than this. Now, as far as miles, 136,000 miles on it. Well taken care of truck. This is a one owner. It was bought with 10 miles on it back in 1998. We have the original title that was issued to the original owner. Now it's available to purchase, and like I said, very well taken care of. First off, underneath the hood, 5.7 liter Vortec V8 engine that is paired with a automatic with overdrive transmission. Obviously Silverado package on this one, split 60/40 bench seat. It is a power driver's side seat. All the amenities, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, power windows, power locks. AC does blow cold. As you can see, also some aftermarket stuff done on this. Bug shield, Lund hood vents. There's also a cold air intake on it, a little different tail lights, roll pan in the back. Now, all the original stuff as far as the original air intake, original bumper, all of that goes with the truck, and it's actually in the box of it. We'll get around to the back and I'll explain some more when we get there. First of all, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, call us 507-386-1726. Don't expect this one to stick around very long. I mean, considering the age, miles, I don't know where you're going to find a cleaner one. Look up and down the passenger side of this car. Extremely clean. Look at the reflection on the wall behind me, so you know this paint still has a nice luster to it. The cab corners are solid. You look above the wheel wells, very nice shape. Interior, would never guess this truck to be over 100,000 miles. Interior pretty much stock, CD player, AM FM cassette. Now of course in 98 these had the third door to them. Again, look at the reflection of that, it's just amazing. So third door to it, doesn't hardly look like the rear seat's been sat in. These would have a powered lumbar on the passenger side. Of course, like I said, driver's side is a power seat. Just look at how nicely everything fits, closes, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Original chrome wheels, riding on Michelin's. Michelin's, plenty of tread left. All right, coming back here, you can see we have the bed rails, tonneau cover. There is a rubber mat in the bed. And here's your roll pan in the back. Now, like I said, original bumper is in the bed of this, along with spare tire, all the mounting brackets, everything that would be needed. Also has the tow package. All of that's up in the bed also. And you can see that in the still pictures. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with shipping. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Here's some of the original stuff. So there's the original tail lights, also the original air cleaner, and everything to go with this to put it back to original if you'd want to. There you can see the aftermarket tail lights in it. Yeah, I just can't get over this one. Amazing how clean it is. Look above these wheel wells. It's not bubbling. Again, no rust. Got the chrome rockers that were added down here, and again, one owner truck. You can tell this guy took care of the vehicle. It was his baby, no doubt about that. Look up and down this side. I mean, just again, look at the reflection of the showroom behind me. The lack of dings, nicks, scratches, anything like that up and down the driver's side also. Door panels. Like I said, everything works. Power windows, power locks, mirrors, AC blows cold. Now, I'm going to pause this because I had the keys. And I want to start this up so you can run it. So hold on a second. Let me grab the keys. I'm going to pause this a second. All right, sorry about that. Left them on the table. Here we go. Fires right up. Again, 5.7 liter Vortec. I believe 330 horse if my memory serves me correctly. There's your exact miles, 136,101, and as you can see, no warning lights on, anything like that. All the gauges work. That's just your daytime driving lights, and then of course seatbelt on. My seatbelt on. AM/FM cassette and CD player. Look at this dash. No cracks, no sun fade, anything like that. We're going to go ahead and pop this hood. Let's check out this engine bay real quick. I think I can get this popped open one-handed here. Let's see. Alright, look at it. Even the under hood light works. Alright, so a couple things changed underneath here. We do have a cold air intake over here, obviously. And again, all the stock components that came off this truck go with the truck. They'll be in the bed of it. Underneath the tonneau cover, when this is shipped to you if you purchase it or drive it home. Take your pick. How smooth that runs. And again, just look at how clean everything is. Well taken care of. One owner, clean Carfax, confirmed miles. Wow. Looking for a nice Chevy Silverado two-wheel drive extended cab. Here you go, 1998. A little over 136,000 miles on it. Give us a call. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the website where you can see the still pictures. We can assist with transportation. Financing is available. Of course, we do consider trades, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This is a nice one, folks. If you're looking at it, you're interested, make sure you get on it.